Butot ka pa.
Eh, it's okay, sir. Tangin na mawasak.
Si Bata.
Just hold. I'm waiting for my healer. Just hold here. Can someone change to Harpoon? Can someone change to Harpoon?
Nag-change na ba?
I don't know. Can someone call for a Harpoon?
Si
Who's that?
Eyeball.
Kira? Okay. Can you... It's okay. They have nothing. Try mo lang ma-hook.
Try ko lang mga.
Sige. Ay, na si Labs today, no? Look on Duffy. Oh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop this retard. Okay, sige. Go back. Sige. Spread. Keep spreading.
Palit na ulit ako ng W.
Ah, sige. It's okay, that's nothing. Look on the west side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the west side. Then go back. Back. It's okay. We're just baiting them. Let them come out. Okay. Wait. Start brawling now. Brawl. Keep brawling. Hits on me. Keep brawling. Sige, brawl. Keep brawling. Then go back south. Come south. Look north now. Look north. Get ready north. In 5, in 4, in 3, in 2, in 1. On me na. Can we drop this motherfucker, please?
Marlika. Sa likod lang.
Come south.
Mats.
Get. Heal some me. Come south. Don't lose me. Come south. We can still fight. Can you guys come back to me? Rigir. Come back. Tangan na itong Marl ka. Kamis. Mata pa if you can, okay? Kutra, are you good? Tapos galing yung Marl ka.
Nagulat na lang ako, nag-engage sa akin, gagi.
Nasa likod